Look at these. They're very sheer. I was kind of surprised by that when I first opened it, but I'm so excited to see what they look like on. I was sent the little lamp and the strips. I get 2 prep pads, and then you also get the little file as well. So first thing you're gonna do is prep your nails. You wanna make sure you don't have any oils on them. You also wanna wash your hands first too, so I've already done that. Nails are prepped and clean. Okay, now the fun part. You just gotta pick where you want it to go. The outside is the cuticle line, so you'll kind of line it up and put it on. It's gonna go above your nail, and then you can either use a nail clipper or you can use your own fingers to kind of rip it, and then we'll file it. I have this wood stick as well for the end, and I'll show you what to do with that. So what I usually do is just kind of file it, and then I peel it off. Then once that's done, I'll go ahead and give it one more file. One thing it said you can do, and I'm just gonna use this piece as an example, is if it doesn't quite fit your finger, like you can see my thumb actually goes a little longer there, and I should have done this. It said you can kind of stretch it. So it is a little bit stretchy. So you can stretch it if you need to, and I do wish I did that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. This usually takes me about 10 minutes to put them all on, and then we'll cure it. Done! They look good. Time to cure them, but before we do that, it does say you can use this little wood stick and just go ahead and push back the cuticle line. I noticed that on some of mine, I should have left a little more space at the cuticle. So when you're applying it, just make sure you do that. Okay, I did it really quickly. And then I do have 20 nail strips left, which means I can do it again. You'll just notice some of the different sizes are now a little more limited and colors, but I love that I have a second set so I can do it again. Okay, now the fun time. One thing about this, I wish you could just charge it and then turn it on, but it has to be plugged in. So it's not quite as mobile as I would hope it would be, but it's super lightweight and easy to use, and I have it ready to go. So let's plug this in. Okay, now that it's plugged in, the little on button is here in the back. And you can see it has little legs, so you can set it down at a table, but I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see it. It defaults to 60 seconds of light. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hold my nails under it for 60 seconds, and you can cure it 3 times, I believe, 3 times. And done. I really love them. They look really pretty, but what I'm super excited to see is how long it lasts. So I love that you can do a gel manicure at home, and it should last you a couple weeks.